Welcome to Songhating Lunghar's channel. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good and great. So welcome back to another new video again. Songhating Lunghar here. Let's enjoy the day. Alright, we're going to school, and then today is the last day before summer break. After today we are going to declare holiday for the summer break. So yes, we'll be declaring holiday for some days. Yeah, so let's go and have fun today. Alright, okay, let's go. Then what is your name?
My name is Thankyou.
Okay, in which class do you read?
I play in class of
Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Da, da, da. Hi, Jala, hi, Jala. Hi. How are you, Jala?
How are you?
Yes. Let's go. Reach our school. Today is the day. Tell. Today is the day of the day of the glory day. Today is the day of the glory day. This is primary section and higher class section. Good morning. Good morning. Preparation for the midday meal.
Then I get a hallelujah, then I get an amen. Feels like the Holy Ghost running through you. When I play the highway anthem, I find my soul revival, singing every single verse. Yeah, I guess that's my church. Yeah, I guess that's my church. Thank you. It's my friend, he knows me and we care on him to roam. The lily of the valley, the bright and morning star, is the fairest of 10,000 to my soul.
Hi there again. Okay, we're going to give midday meal to the students today. Okay, so let's go and check how they're preparing. Some people are helping us preparing the food. Here they are. Egg. That's a nice shot here, yeah. So they'll be preparing egg and dal. Rice for 152 students. Yes. It is very hot indeed. They are cooking here under the tree. How do you feel about this? Preparing midday meal for the students.
I'm very happy,
Excited?
very excited.
Why?
Because kids are going to have food all together in the school.
Yeah, that's
Even
great.
we too,
That's great.
teachers.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, very happy.
And today is the last day before summer
For
break.
summer vacation.
So it's a very fun day. Yeah?
Fun day and
I guess we'll be missing each other for the break. Let's have fun.
school he chúng học po cái này thanh ra này là cái tăng khai ra xong không sắp phải làm gì thì đi chốt đó cái nào ở trong một cái này tức là ở cha sang này tức là nào pin đi khen khơi bay súc này tức là ở cha cái to người đi làm chung phần gì nên là pin là xong người ta mà ngã xong cái tức là đâm pin đi khám người ta sáng
Everyone, it's time for meal. We're going to have our midday meal now. What is the special? Egg, dal, ironba. Are you hungry? Okay, we are about to have. Hello, what is your name? We have started serving the food to the students. There is 152 students. So here it is. After this midday meal, we are going to declare holiday for the summer. How is the food? How is the egg? Is it tasty? Yummy? Yummy? Right? Okay, good. Eat well, okay? Eat well. Kwangsing, are you hungry? Okay, how many eggs you will have today? Huh? 1, 2?
I think two.
You think so? How about you guys? You hungry? Okay. Don't push each other, okay? Amaji, hungry? How many eggs you will have? How many eggs you will have? 5? Wow, brother. Eat well, okay? Eat well. Ladies! Ladies! Say hi! Say hi, wave your hand. Say hi. Wave your hands, wave your hands. Yes, yes. How is the food? Good. Is it yummy? Kabangsi? Gentlemen, how is the food? Not good or what? Ladies, how is the food? Is it yummy? Yes or no? Say yes. Say yes, no, if it is good. Okay. Hello, so here I am, and this is our school. We have finished our program today, and today is the last day before summer break, so we have declared holiday, and we'll be going to our own hometowns for the vacation, and we will be back soon again. Yes, of course. But yes, I hope you watch till the end, and if you're still watching, please don't forget to sub the channel, and that would be amazing. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. So yes, have a nice time ahead, and don't forget to smile. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.